Today we are going to learn class 8 poem number 3, Macavity the Mystery Cat, multiple choice questions. These questions are very important as this is going to play a very important role in grabbing the marks in objectives in English examination, and you can analyze yourself that whether you have understood the poem or not. So please go through the poem first and then come to this MCQs part. Even I have uploaded the previous poems MCQs on my channel. You can watch that videos. Let's start this. First one. Macavity, also called the mystery cat, goes by a more unusual name. Who is this master criminal that has inspired poem? Mungujiri, Hooded Claw, Grindlebone or Hidden Paw? So what is the answer? The answer is option number D, Hidden Paw. Next one. Macavity leaves Scotland Yard in bafflement, but who does he leave in despair? British Special Branch, the Special Fraud Squad, the Flying Squad, the Serious Crimes Unit. So the answer is option number C, the Flying Squad. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a dash stare. What person could Macavity make stare at his powers? Magician, lama, politician or fakir? The answer is option number D, fakir. Okay, you must have कि वो फ़कीर को एकदम क्या कर देती है, स्टेयर करने पे मजबूर कर देती है और वो हवा में ऐसे उड़ती है और उसने सारे जो लॉज हैं ह्यूमन लॉज वो भी ब्रेक कर दिए हैं, लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी भी उसने ब्रेक कर दिया है. ओके, सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट द मिस्चीवियस कैट. Next one, in the poem Macavity is described. What kind of cat is he? A ginger cat, a tabby cat, a tortoise shell, a Manx tom? What is the answer? The answer is option number A, a ginger cat. Okay, उसका कलर कैसा बताया है? जिंजर कलर का, जिंजर, लाइटिश ब्राउन. Next one, he sways his head from side to side with movements like a dash. What does he move like? Swing, tail, kite or snake? So the answer is option number D. Snake की तरीके से वो इधर उधर मूव करती है. Next one, when a crime has been discovered, where is Macavity? जब Macavity कहाँ पे थी? He is in the crowd. He is in the shadows. He is not there. He is on the roof. आंसर इज ही इज़ नॉट देयर. जब भी कहीं पे क्राइम होता है तो वो वहाँ पे होती ही नहीं है. ही इज़ नॉट देयर. Who loses some plans and drawings in the poem blaming Macavity for their loss? The War Office, the Foreign Office, the Home Office or the Admiralty? Answer is option number D, the Admiralty. Next one. When the authorities go to find him, he is either resting or licking off his thumbs or some unusual activity. Which activity does the mystery cat engage in? Planning a dinner party, doing complicated long division sums, planning a daring caper, fluffing his tail? Answer is option number B, doing complicated long division sums. Next question. Who always states that when a treaty or some plans and drawings have gone missing that it was Macavity who is to blame? Options are the Home Office, the Special Branch, the Secret Service, the Flying Squad. Answer is option number C, the Secret Service. And see, I have provided in last the answers of these questions. I hope everybody enjoyed and liked the video. If you liked and if you understood the video, please give it a like, do comment for queries and share among your friends. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. In the next videos I'll be bringing the MCQs of next poem, so keep watching and thanks for visiting.